Okay, so quick heads up before we get started. My microphone decided it did not want to participate today, so I'm going to do a voiceover for this one. This is a fully renovated 2-story waterfront home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. It has 2,043 square feet of living space, and it was built in 1976, you all. 1976, and it came to slay, baby. The dining room is right here to the left of the front door, but with views like this, you just can't help yourself but be immediately drawn into the kitchen. You've got a huge food prep island, top of the line stainless steel appliances, and so much cabinetry that you may finally have a place to put every pot, pan, gadget, and random container lid in your possession. And the island is not just big for the sake of being big. You've got plenty of room for cooking, serving casual meals, or letting everyone gather around while you pretend they're not in your way. But look at this view. This view will have us all going hungry, you all. Cause I'll mess around and forget I came in here to cook. Moving out of the kitchen, there are 2 separate living spaces here. This is the first of the 2. This one could be your more polished sitting area. Now here is the second one, and by far my favorite. This one could be where everybody actually hangs out, watches television, play games, and leaves their stuff everywhere. Both spaces get plenty of natural light, and the water views help give the home a calm, open feeling. There's a deck overlooking Hopkins Creek, plenty of yard space, and the opportunity to design a backyard that fits exactly how you want to live. The laundry room is also surprisingly spacious and includes cabinetry, which is one of those practical designs that may not be glamorous, but once you have it, you appreciate it every single week. Here we have another exit to our deck. And this is where your washer and dryer unit would go. Just past our first living area, we're going to come to our first bathroom. It's a half bath. And of course, we can't skip the garage. You've got a full 2-car garage with epoxy flooring, giving you room for vehicles, bicycles, storage, or whichever collection of items is slowly taking over your current garage. We're going to head upstairs now, where we're going to find all of our bedrooms and our remaining bathrooms. So let's take a look. While we look at the secondary bathroom and bedroom, I just want to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit more about the property's outdoor qualities. There's more to this property than just the creek. I mean, sure, there's a dock overlooking Hopkins Creek. But like I said earlier, there's plenty of yard space and the opportunity to design a backyard that fits exactly how you want to live. There's currently no pool or dock, which means somebody gets to design those features from scratch instead of inheriting someone else's choices. You could design a pool area, create an outdoor kitchen, build more entertaining space, or just enjoy an open lawn and the waterfront setting as it is. I mean, there's enough room here to have options, and that is not always easy to find this close to the beach. And like other homes I've toured in this area, the location is a major part of the appeal. You can enjoy a peaceful waterfront setting at home, then hop on a bike and head toward the beach when you're ready for some sand, ocean air, restaurants, and everything else that people love about living in Neptune Beach. Okay, now that we've taken a look at the secondary bedroom and bath, let's head on down to the primary suite. The primary suite gives you more than just a space for a bed and an ensuite. There's also a sitting area, which could work as a reading corner and a quiet place to unwind, or it could be a spot where all the clothes end up before they make it to the closet. Speaking of the closet, it's large and already includes built-in shelving, so the storage has already been thought through for you, instead of leaving you with one lonely hanging rod and a dream. Our last stop on this tour is into our ensuite bathroom, where you have dual vanity sinks complete with both faucet fixtures and a standalone shower. And that's it for our Neptune Beach home, guys. I hope you enjoyed your stay. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments which room is your favorite. If you want the sales price or other information on this home, send me a message titled "Interested in," reference number 5380215. If it's still on the market, I'll send you the MLS sheet. But if not, no worries, we can find you the home that was made just for you. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.